Hi guys, today is a very special video. Guess why? Because I have had 65 subscribers or even more. So, in today's special video, we're going to do a unboxing of a product. That's awesome, isn't it? So, here we have the Huawei Mediapad M5 Lite. It's 10.1 inches, as you can see, it's written in the side, and it's tuned with HK speakers. HK speakers are the best in the whole world. So we'll dig in this device. I've already taken out the charger, so if you want to see what type of charger it is, you can see it here. It's a C-type charger. So I'm going to open the box. So first in the box comes our Huawei tablet, so we'll keep that aside and we'll move on. So here there is a pin for the SIM, and inside here there is the manual, which I'll just take out. So there are three things in the box. There is the manual, the warranty card, and the QR code. So that was all in the box. This charger had also come, but I had taken it out. So we'll check the other box and see what they have given us. So I cannot take this box out, but there's like a charger. And for those who want the specifications of the tablet and stuff for the one which I have bought, I'm just informing them that they will be given at the end of this video. So now we'll start the tablet. So I've set up the tablet and it's starting up right now. So like that it starts, and we'll see it once it's started. Okay, so the tablet has started and it shows Android system. The password is needed after the restart. So slide to unlock. I've already set my password, so I'll enter my password. This tablet is great overall. I've set it up and I liked it. It has a stylus with it which works awesomely. I had also taken that out, but I forgot to show it to you guys. So there's the stylus over here. It works very smoothly. It was telling me to remove the rubber from the battery area, so I did that and now I can use it. So it has many apps and I want to try on this stylus. So I'll use Google Jamboard to use it. So here my Jamboard is opening. So this pen works nicely, very nicely, smoothly. I like it. So we'll try writing something. Hi. Yeah, it works. I really like this thing about the Jamboard. It is like those things come out. So I'll try writing something else. So the pen works really well, and so what I'm trying to say is that this tablet is good for normal use. It is Android 8, so we'll open up settings. We'll go to system and we'll go to about tablet. So as you can see over here, the tablet's Android version is 8.00. It gets an update. I've seen it on the comments. So here's a fun fact that you can always do if you have this tablet or Android 8 thing. just keep clicking on Android version. This circle will come up. When you click on it multiple times, a very funny thing will come up. I love doing this because it's actually like fun. Ooh, look at this guy's face. Like, look at it. So you can just take it. I like to move it. I like to move it. Yeah, so here it is. That's the fun thing you can do. The device, all the specifications of the device will be given at last. I repeat once again. So the device has something named Smart Care, where it shows us our things, what we have to do. So it takes it from all our it takes these details from our account. So this is probably a good tablet and it's compatible with literally every app. So I like this tablet, and now we've finally come to the best part, the sound test. So I've opened my YouTube, and as I had said that the sound quality of the device is really good, we're going to try listening to it. Let's put the volume on max. It's like you don't even need a speaker. So you just heard the sound quality. I love the sound quality of these speakers. It may sound a little loud on the microphone, but actually the sound is so good. So now we're going to see about so we're going to see how is the RAM. So about speed, I can say this tablet is really good, fast and awesome. And we'll check the camera out now. So we'll see. I'll click a photo and show it to you. So this is a photo that I have taken, and it's taken from the first camera, front camera. So we'll see the editing skills. So we'll click on the edit. So there are many options. So suppose I am a YouTuber who doesn't want to show my face. I can just hide it by changing this. Yeah, that's how it goes. And you can actually use this a lot. It's better than the new Google Photos editor. So the editor is awesome. There's nothing more I can say. Then there's something known as moving picture. So we'll shift this to our back camera, rear camera. So there is an option in the side. It's like that. So when you enable this option, it'll show you moving picture enabled. So it's like you can take an exciting moment, just like this. So here's an example. Enable moving pictures, top of camera finder to capture great moments in action. So that's how moving pictures are. They are really helpful and some people like it. So guys, that's for today. I'll add the new features I'll add the new features like the kids corner in the next video for you. So see you next time. Bye.